Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so I've been on the BLM mining site, and I was looking at expired claims, and there happens to be a few close to my house. This particular one is like 4 miles from where I live, and it's in Navajo County, which isn't known for gold production. This whole area is pretty scarce. You just gotta wonder, excuse me, why somebody would put a claim here. There's a few more claims I've searched that had some possibilities. The geography was right, which are about 4 or 5 miles or 6 miles from here. But what I did is I plotted it on Google Maps, created a special folder called prospecting, and I'm just going to visit each one. There's about 30 of them semi close by here, and also in Apache County. Both counties are not known for gold production. They just aren't. So, but there's got to be a reason why, right? But we're gonna go find out. I'm gonna throw the camel pack on, take the detector out, and take a look. Depending on what I find, I might send up one of my drones to map the area and see what we could see on an ortho mosaic map from the drone. So, yeah, the claim was last renewed in 1983. So it's been some time, and it was claiming in existence for 5 years, I think. We'll see. I don't hold out much hope, but it's great to get out and explore. My last video that I did out in Mojave County in Gold Basin, none of the audio showed up. So I'm hoping it works this time. I completely reset my camera, and I'm using a DJI Osmo Pocket for this. It's a gimbal video camera. So shoots in 4K, great stills, no zoom really, unless I'm in 4K, and then I could zoom and post. But anyway, I'm walking up this fire trail, see what we can see. And I got the old Minelab, not old, it's brand new, Gold Monster 1000. Yeah, see what we could see. So I'm seeing some river rock here on the road. That might just be from the Forest Service trying to maintain the road. But there is a little creek nearby, dry of course, like everything in this state. Kind of a red soil. I hear red is good. See, I'm new. I'm no expert in this at all. So we're getting closer. I'm the blue dot. Need to get to the red dot. So there is actually quite a bit of river rock type rocks around. I don't know my geology as well as some people, but let me show you. I don't know if you can see that, but here we go. There's a lot of this around. No black sand, no other type of indicators, but some this is pretty typical for up here. Wow, what a day. It's about 92 here. I'm at 7,200 feet. Been finding some quartz, boulder size, roundish quartz. And I'm right at the center of the claim, I guess. But Well, it looks like the center of the claim is down this gully, and there's no real good way to get down there, except for the bottom where I just came from. So it's in this creek bed, which I guess makes sense. Still haven't found anything with the detector, except for a piece of wire and a lug nut. Well, red marks the spot. I'm here. I'm in the creek bed. So I'm gonna have to explore around a little bit. I don't see really any evidence. There's a glass or a plastic water bottle. Okay, I did find a junkyard. All these cans and old broken Coke bottles, green Coke bottles. Pretty cool. Although I don't think this is because of mining. This was a heavily logged area. There was a lot of logging here in the 50s, 60s. Wow, looks like an elk had a bad day a while ago. Yikes. Elk skull, anyone? Scapula? Interesting. I think my fun meter's peaked. I'm heading back to the truck. And then maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll find another one. There's a couple others close by. I'd tell you where they are, but it's a secret. I don't know how you guys like these, if you want me to do more of them. There's a couple of them in some dry washes, dry creek beds that are pretty interesting from what I've seen on Google Earth. This one on Google Earth was just, it's all covered with trees, so I couldn't really get any details. I didn't see anything up there. No tailings, no evidence of any kind of mining operations. Just got to wonder what people were thinking doing mining or gold claims. It was a placer claim, and it was a good hike, probably 2 miles up and back, so it's good for me. I could lose the weight or get the exercise, and that's what this is all about for me too. Join the journey, as they say, whoever they are.